What is it? What is it now? You are not encouraging Mama. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Like that? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and it's already 2 a.m. in the morning. And yesterday was a very special day because it was my birthday. It's already our third day here in Manila. My husband and I are spending our holiday here in the Philippines for a week. Yesterday, we went to Rizal to visit my family. We had dinner and then we had a little bit of fun. I have seen my brother and my sisters and my nieces and my nephew. And before this day ends, I would like to share with you an unboxing video. So ito na nga guys, this will be my first ever unboxing vlog. Binili ko ng hubby ko from Dubai. So dala-dala niya to from Dubai to Manila. And I would like to share it with you, all of you. What's in the What's in the bag? So, I don't know if you have seen this already. Maybe you already have idea what it is. So, sabay-sabay natin buksan. Okay na nga. May pa-unboxing ang ating lolo. Wait. Already the paper bag, but I don't know exactly which kind of bag it is. So, sabay-sabay natin siyang buksan. Wait lang. Ayan sina card here. May pa-card ang ating mahal na asawa. Let's see. Okay. I love you. Mahal kita. My love. Enjoy unboxing. Wala man ng happy birthday. My goodness. Tara! So, ito na nga. Buksan na natin. Hindi ko pa rin siya nakikita. Of course, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Kaya, sabay-sabay natin siyang buksan. I'm so excited. Oh gosh. Let's see what's inside. Look at this! Oh my gosh! Another coach bag for me. So I already have two bags from Coach brand. One I bought it. I'm not sure if it was 2010. I don't know. I can't remember anymore. I bought it second hand from the wife of our company's president. Second hand siya. Then I bought another Coach bag for my sister. Bumili kasi ng mga Coach bag aking sister from US, and then she tried to sell it here in the Philippines. There's one bag na hindi niya mabenta, so ako na lang ang bumili. And then, tada! My third ever Coach bag from my hubby. Oh my gosh, I so love it. Let's see. This is really so nice. Wait, let me show you. So, ayan siya, red outer, and there's a brown color and red color, combination of brown and red color. Meron siyang pocket in the middle. Let's see if it's real. Yes, it is. Ayan na nga siya. Salamat, hubby ko. Thank you, love. pagtatanggalin na nga natin ang mga styro at gamitin natin siya bukas. We are actually going to Laguna tomorrow. And we have to wake up early, like 6 a.m. And we are still awake. So, hindi ko alam kung anong oras kami o makakatulog pa ba kami. We are traveling to Pagsanhan. Siyempre, kinagat ko na siya kasi walang gunting. Ayan! I'm so excited to use this tomorrow. Ayan na siya, guys. This is so nice. I love it. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So my hubby knows that I like huge bags. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Yeah. So yun na yun, guys. That's my first ever unboxing vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. And see you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you will get notified if I have a new video upload. Good night!